Supreme Court to hear NEET PG 2024 counselling plea on October 4. Rhodes Trust expands scholarship for Indian students to 6, honoring the legacy. NIOS releases date sheets for Class 10 and 12 October-November 2024 exams. UGC NET 2024 results and final answer keys to be announced soon.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top headlines are: the Supreme Court is set to hear a plea by NEET PG aspirants led by Ishika Jain on October 4th, challenging the National Board of Education for Medical Sciences exam pattern. The petition demands the disclosure of answer keys and question papers, citing concerns over transparency due to last-minute changes in the exam structure. Senior advocate Vibha Datta Mukherjee emphasizes the lack of regulations governing the exams, leading to confusions. Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud expressed concerns over the timing changes made by just day before the exam. The NEET PG results announced on August 23 raised alarms due to unexpected low rankings, prompting this legal challenge. The Rhodes Trust has announced an increase in scholarships for Indian students from 5 to 6, funded by entrepreneurs Mukund Rajan and Soumya Rajan. Mukund, a 1989 Rhodes Scholar, and Soumya aim to honor their familial legacies, including her great-grandfather Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan and his father Raghavachari Govindarajan. Dr. Elizabeth Kiss, warden of Rhodes House, noted that Indian applicants are among the highest for Rhodes Scholarship, with 700 applications for the 6 spots. The couple hopes to further increase scholarships to 7 in the future. The Rhodes Scholarship supports international students to study at Oxford University, emphasizing academic excellence and leadership potential. The National Institution of Scholarship has announced the date sheets for the Class 10 and Class 12 exams scheduled for October and November. Exams for both Indian and overseas students will commence on October 22. Class 10 exams will start with Carnatic Sangeet and employability skills, while Class 12 will begin with Veda Adhyayana and early childhood care papers, concluding on November 29 with economics. Each exam will last for 3 hours, held from 2:30 to 5:30 p.m. for Indian students and 3 to 6 p.m. for overseas candidates. Admit cards will be available on the NIOS website and the results are expected within 7 weeks after the last exam. The National Testing Agency will release the dates for the University Grants Commission National Eligibility Test June 2024 re-examination shortly. The provisional answer keys were released in the 2 phases, with the objection window closing on September 14, 2024. Candidates can check their results and scorecards on the official website. The final answer key will be published alongside or before the results. The UGC NET exam, conducted in computer-based test mode from August 21 to September 5, awarded 2 marks for correct answer without penalties for incorrect ones. Candidates can stay updated via official website. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information, log into our website www.theenn.com. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video and subscribe to our channel.